I'm gonna get my tires done today. Obviously I'm not gonna do it myself because I don't know how to do it. This is how to change your tire. All you gotta do is make a phone call to the tire center and book an appointment and you get your tires done. So I'm changing my tires from winters to summer tire. It's May, towards the end of May. It's actually May 2-4 weekend, so I'm getting it done and I should be ready for the summer. Yeah, so this is my first time that I will be taking care of changing the tires. So I got my tires in the back, ready to go. Oh, so today I'm gonna end up putting gas in the car also. So I haven't put in gas in about 6 months. So I kind of used it up because I don't want it to get stale. So yeah, I can't even remember if I still know how to put in gas. But I'm sure I'll figure it out. You know, it's easy. So I'm gonna show you. So as you can see here, I have a fuel low message on the dash. When the gas is down to 50 clicks, it gives me a message. I almost brought the wrong tires with me. Good thing my pop noticed and I found the right ones at the side of the house. So again, this is something new to me. I've never had to take care of, you know, changing tires and whatnot, but you know, it's a learning experience for me every day, and it actually makes me happy to be able to do these kinds of things without relying on anybody. Okay, all loaded up. Let's get the used tires changed and let's pump some gas. Here at Costco, there's always a lineup to get gas, but you know what? It's this is where I'm getting my tires done anyway, so I might as well get my gas here. I can't remember. Oh gosh, I can't remember. This is what I love about this vehicle also. You don't have to get premium, so I just take regular gas. So $34.95 for 6 months, not bad at all. So as you can see, I got roughly 500 kilometers for a full tank of gas at $1.21 per liter. So that's really cheap for 6 months. That's why I love my electric car. To get my tires changed, it cost me $56.45 for all 4 without rims. So yeah, that was done at Costco, but I just wanted to show you, this is when my husband got the tires done at the dealership. It cost $129. So it just makes more sense for me to go to Costco. It's just much cheaper. I noticed also that Costco puts in nitrogen in my tires as opposed to normal air. And from what I read, nitrogen will maintain air pressure longer, therefore you get better fuel economy and longer tire life. So, which is good. So, you know, and again, it costs much cheaper than the dealership. Okay, so the tires are all changed. We're ready for the summer. So I just finished getting my tires done. So I have these winter tires here, and I asked them if this needs to be changed or if it's garbage. So he basically told me to put my finger in here, and there's like a marker. If you can see this right here. So if the tires goes as flat as that, that means it's worn. That's what I've been told anyways. So right now I think I have 1 season left for these tires, so I'm gonna store them for now. So you're doing a great job storing it. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Can I see anything?
Mom, that's the camera's the wrong way.